Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you basic Unix commands. So for learning the Unix commands, you can either use a Linux distro and use the terminal to try out the Unix commands, or you can use your Mac OS X to do the same. Here I am using the Ubuntu version of the Linux to do it. So to have the terminal, we need to open up the terminal from this. You can just type in terminal from that, and here you go. This is going to be our shell. So when we open up the terminal, we are actually using the bash shell, which has the expansion born again shell. So we can type the commands directly in it. It supports Unix commands. So the first command I want to show you is the ls command. ls. So this command will list all the files and directories in the present working directory. So right now, as you can see, you just see a tilde symbol over here, which means we are in the home directory, and ls will give you all the directories and files that exist in this. So as you can see, we have the blue highlighting is for directories, and this kind of red is for compressed files. Okay, so this ls comes in different variations, including ls -a, and let's try this out. So we see that there is a lot of other extra files coming out. So this ls-a also lists the hidden files that exist in the home directory. So whatever that comes extra is the hidden directories. Okay, now we have another version, ls-l. Okay, let's see what it does. Look at this. This is going to see the file name over here, right over here, and then we have modified date over here. We have permissions here. Permissions here means R is for reading, writing, and X is for execution. I'll talk about it in another video, more detailed. This is the size of the files. Okay, so the next command we are going to do is the cd command. It is also called the change directory command, as cd is the expansion for change directory is the expansion for cd. So you can use it to navigate between files. So let's say you want to get into the file C, so you just type cdc. Okay, now if you do ls, it will list all the files in the C directory. Now let's say you want to get out of that, you just put cd ... and you get out of that. Now you are in the home directory. Here you are in the C directory. Let's say you want to get into music, cd music. Okay, now you see you are in the music directory. If you ls, you have an empty folder, actually music, so there is nothing displayed. Okay, now let's say you want to directly go to the home directory. You just do cd and tilde. This will get you to the home directory no matter where you are, right? And let's say you want to view your system's name. We have a command called whoami, which will give you who it is. You see, this types in my name when you do whoami. Okay, now we are in the home directory, and let's say you want to make a new directory. A directory actually refers to a folder. Okay, I forgot to tell you. So for that you need the command mkdir and just name your directory, let's say first, right? And now a new folder is created. If you ls, you will have the first directory. Since it's a directory, it's highlighted in blue. Okay, now if you want to navigate inside it, let's say cd first. Now you are in there, you want to get back, you just put cdc dot dot. Right, now you want to remove a directory with all its files. So let's say you want to remove first, you just type rm minus r. So this rm minus r first, it means that it will delete all the files that are inside this first directory as well as the directory itself. So now it's been removed. Now let's ls. We don't have a file. So since first is a empty directory, you can also use just rm without the minus r. This minus r actually means delete it recursively, which means that you delete everything inside it. Since if it's an empty directory, you don't have to use this minus r. Okay, now let's say you want to see where you are working, right? You have a command called pwd, which means the present working directory. You just type it in there, and this is our present working directory. Let's say you want cd into music, and oops, I'm sorry, this is case sensitive, so type cd music. Now we are in the music, and you want to see which directory you are in. Now look at the change, right? So these are the most basic commands. Thank you for watching. Click the like and subscribe button below. Bye.